afternoon. My name is Diana and I'm a meteorologist.
My name is Christopher and I am also a meteorologist.
Hello, I'm Connor. And what do you think my job is? You got it. I'm a meteorologist too.
Hi, I'm Alina and I study the weather. I can't say that other word.
We are
going to teach you
about
winter
storms. A winter storm happens when cold, dry air hits warm, moist air.
The warm air gets pushed up by the cold air mass. It cools off and clouds form.
If the temperature on the ground is cold enough, you will get snow.
That's the white, fluffy, cold stuff that falls from the sky.
Some snowstorms aren't dangerous, but if it is a blizzard, you better watch out.
A blizzard is a long-lasting snowstorm.
It has very strong winds and gnarly snowfall that is hard to see through and drive in.
So stay inside and stay warm.
Well, we tell you how to be safe.
We have some breaking news. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm watch.
That means the winter storm is 12 to 48 hours away.
We have time to get ready.
First, you need a disaster plan. That is a plan that tells you what to do when something goes wrong.
Prepare a disaster supply kit. You should have food, water, medicine, a first aid kit, a flashlight, and extra batteries.
A radio with batteries, a whistle to blow for help, a toothbrush and toothpaste,
Cash and ATM card.
Make sure you have extra clothes, a sleeping bag, and ID.
Keep listening to the weather on the TV or radio.
Do you know how to be safe during a winter storm?
Make sure you dress warmly.
Eat regularly and drink water. This gives your body energy to make its own heat.
If you must go outside, dress in layers.
Wear hats and mittens.
Let someone know where you are going just in case you get stuck.
If you get stuck, stay with your car and wait for help.
Oh no, we have a winter storm warning. This means a storm is coming soon.
Now you know how to prepare and be ready for a winter
that is coming.